This poor thing still has 2020 dirt on it, so let's get that remedied and give it a little cleanup. I don't name my vehicles, but if I were to name this one, I think Dusty seems appropriate. As you can see, some fingerprints there along the edge of the hood. California car duster, knocking off the rough dust, and yes, I know I'm probably scratching the paint, so go ahead and flame me now. And it just rides in the back of the car all the time. And I'm getting my mother's spray detailer and give it a good bath of spray detailer. This car has pretty much set since last fall, so I think I cleaned it in September before I went to the NMCA finals with it and raced in the Chevrolet Street Car Challenge. So it had a while to accumulate some dust. And I clean the car the same way every time. It's just an easy way to remember it, and you know, I've done it so many times, it just works well for me. And I use a lot of towels. I don't, you know, once they start getting dirty, I move on to another one. Especially once I use it around the bottom of the wheel wells, I grab another one. Funny thing is, I cleaned this on a Friday in April, and just a few days later, the next week, we got some accumulating snow, which is very unusual. So I don't know if I jokingly encouraged that to happen or what. It looks kind of tight from this angle, but there's plenty of room to walk on the passenger side of the car. Now it's time to clean the wheels. And I use the same spray detailer and change towels very frequently because of the brake dust. Need to keep these wheels as nice as I can because they have been since been discontinued. They're Hot Wheels 68 wheels that were made by KMC Wheels and sold through Discount Tire. And I bought these back in 2006, and you know, obviously they've stopped making them since then. Now it's time to put some tire dressing on, and I always wear a latex glove just to keep the sliminess off. And I'm looking for my tire swipe. I carry it in the back of the car sometimes, but it was inside. Now I usually go outdoors to spray the tire dressing so it doesn't land on anything that I've just cleaned. And this process takes a few minutes, but I will speed it up with a time lapse. And I wipe it on, and then I take a paper towel, fold it up tiny, and wipe around the edge of the wheel to get anything, any dressing off of the chrome. Now my window cleaner, it's in a clear bottle, but it's some Eagle One 2020 window cleaner that I bought many years ago. I bought a big jug of it at the James Dean Festival. in Fairmount, Indiana. Still good. I guess I got my money's worth out of it. And I'm just standing here admiring my work. Shoot. She still cleans up pretty good for a 21-year-old car. Now I'm just wiping off the excess tire dressing with an old paper towel. All cleaned up with no place to go.